In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Taobao account. We'll start in your web browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari all work. Type login.taobao.com into the address bar and hit enter. The page may appear in Chinese. Feel free to use your browser's translate feature if that helps you follow along. By default, you'll see the QR code login. If you prefer another method, look for the small text link beneath the QR code to switch methods. There are three options: QR code login, account plus password login, and SMS login. I'll walk you through each one so you can pick the method that suits you best. First, account plus password login. Click the option labeled Zhenghao Mima Donglu. Choose your country code from the drop-down. For example, the Philippines is +63. Enter your phone number without a leading zero, then type your password. Taobao will usually ask you to complete a slider verification. Just drag the slider or puzzle piece until it matches the outline to prove you're not a bot. When it confirms, click Login. Next, SMS login. Click Duanshin Donglu, select your country code, type your phone number, and complete the slider verification. Choose Send Code. A 6-digit code will arrive by text. Enter that code exactly as shown, then click Login. Keep your phone nearby and make sure you have a good signal, as SMS messages can take a few seconds to arrive. Finally, QR code Login, which is often the fastest. Open the Taobao app on your phone, navigate to the built-in scanner, sometimes labeled Sao Yi Sao, and point your camera at the QR code on your computer screen. A prompt will appear in the app. Tap Confirm Login. This authorizes the session without typing anything on the computer. After any of these methods are accepted, you'll be redirected automatically. That could be your Taobao homepage, your shopping cart, or your account profile, depending on what you were doing before. If you see your account details at the top of the page, you're fully logged in and ready to browse, add items to your cart, and manage your orders. For a smooth experience, double-check that your keyboard input language matches what you're typing, and avoid extra spaces in phone numbers or codes. If the slider verification doesn't pass the first time, try again slowly. Moving too quickly can cause it to fail. And remember, you can always switch login methods if one isn't working well for you. That's it. Follow the method you prefer, and you'll be in your Taobao account in no time.